With all this discussion about climate change and how it has affected every aspect of life all over the world, we must push to create more sustainable and resilient strategies in order to adapt with our changing climate. Creating more climate-conscious efforts will help not only our generation against the effects of climate change, but also future generations who will feel the effects more. Unfortunately, as we know now, the effects of climate change on our society, health, and environment due to anthropological CO2 emissions are irreversible. Since there is no way to reverse these effects, we must look to our present and future and create mitigation techniques to lessen the impact. One of these techniques is known as climate intervention or geoengineering. This climate engineering includes carbon dioxide removal and solar radiation management. These management techniques will be met with legal, ethical, social, and political ramifications, which may get in the way of the government utilization of these techniques. Whether these plans get adopted or not will impact the rate at which climate change created by CO2 emissions affect our environment and the global population. Carbon dioxide removal is a process in which CO2 is removed from the atmosphere using different techniques such as direct air capture, afforestation, ocean fertilization, and accelerated weathering. Some of the methods are more scientifically proven and well understood, like direct air capture, and others generate more risk and are less tested, like ocean fertilization. However, to create actual sustained change using CDR, the CO2 removal from the climate must be permanent.